YouTube channel. Today we're going to be letting my dog Kaya take me on a walk. You've probably seen it all over YouTube already. This is how it works. Wherever she wants to go, she'll make me go.
Where's she taking you?
Down the hill though. Should we go over there or should we keep on going straight? I think she might want to go straight. Hi, do you want to go over there? Hey.
Where all is she taking you so far?
Not that big yet, and there's been a lot of dogs, so we've been having to stop for a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, Kaya, this time, do you want to go left or do you want to go right? She might choose right because we're on this side.
We're straight.
We're straight. Where is she going to take me? So far, she's just been going straight, just plain old straight. I thought she would just explore way more. Go left or right, just exploring. Kaya, I didn't know you got a drink. Kaya, I hope you know how to get back to the car because I really need to get back and get a good sleep. Okay. Kaya, do you want to turn around? I know you're having a great time, like the time of your life, but we still have to get back to the car and go home. Kaya, where are you taking us? Okay, Kaya. I don't know where you're taking us. You know what, Kaya? We've been walking for a long time. The sun's going down, and I think we should go back to the car. I guess we're back to the car. We can go home now. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Make sure to watch all my videos, and make sure to subscribe if you're new here. If you aren't new here, make sure you're subscribed, or else. Dun, dun, dun. Leave a like on all my videos and press that notification bell just so you can get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks.